Hey, what's going on everyone? So here we are with the first video on the new channel, and I couldn't think of a better fit than Jumia Technologies for the first video. I hope one day if this channel makes it big that people might be coming back here to watch it. Anyways, first here are the numbers for the day, and then we're going to talk about what's been going on with Jumia stock. We've got a rise of $1.38 per share, 8.37%. JMIA currently trades at $17.87 per share. 52-week low is 2.15. 52-week high is 23.90. Short interest is 46.39%. Market cap is 1.42 billion, and volume today is 20.9 million. All right, so if you're new to the channel, this is a branch off from the main channel, the Daily Trade. Here with Investing in Africa, I'm going to be talking about investing in African companies, ETFs, or companies involved in Africa. So please hit that subscribe button if that interests you. I am currently working on a huge video talking about Africa's potential, its risks, and all of the companies that we will be talking about in this channel. If you could please help me out, please let me know in the comments below right now if you'd rather have this video in one long piece or several videos broken up in a series. So let me know below. But getting right into it, let's take a look at Jumia stock. Up over 8% today. Quite the gain. Nothing major within the company announced today, but it was mostly due to what Citron Research announced on their Twitter feed today. They are back at it again, maintaining their bullish thesis on Jumia, this time with Andrew Left, notorious leader of Citron, calling out a potential buyout or partnership with either Alibaba or SoftBank of China on Citron's Twitter account. He also said in the tweet that they would be putting out a report sometime on this soon. So I will be very interested to see what they have to corroborate that. That said, it does make some amount of sense considering China has some influence in Africa and definitely probably wants to be involved with any potential opportunity going on in there. What's interesting to me is how people believe Citron now, even when they are completely reversing course on the vile things they said about the company last year, as you can see in this tweet right here. And it seems like a pretty big time to get in on the stock right now. The upcoming earnings report on Tuesday, November 10th. So I'll be very interested to see that report, and we'll definitely be doing several videos on those numbers that we see. But this is definitely going to feel familiar comparing this to last earnings report. The stock ran up huge before the report. Looking at this graph, you can see the FOMO wave, and that was insane. It was just up and up and up and up. And then we got the report, and people were expecting some blowout numbers due to COVID, and it was not what people were expecting. The stock tanked over 25% in the day of the announcement, and then went down to as low as under $7 a share. And then now, as we are starting to near Q3 earnings, we got some news about Jumia's partnership with Mondia to offer Jumia games on their Jumia Pay platform. And we also heard Citron was reversing their short thesis on the company and is now in fact bullish on them as of several weeks ago. And this was only supported by today's news. There's a lot of talk about how this could be a similar repeat of what happened last quarter, but the real answer is nobody knows for sure. There's definitely a lot of risk considering the bottom during the COVID crash was around $2 a share, and anything is possible. So for me, as I've said in previous videos, the risk is so high with this company that I want to look at more earnings reports and see how things are going to shape out in Africa post-COVID before I invest in the company. Basically, if you understand what I'm saying, I would rather have the valuation to be so low, like around $2, $3, or $4 a share, and have a very appealing risk-reward ratio, or even the stock to be trading around $25 or $30 a share with more information and stability about the company's future, and maybe slightly less risk-reward. But still, with the current price, the risk is relatively much more compared to the possible reward. So yeah, current investors, if you can stomach the risk, credit to you. And I'm definitely positive on Jumia, and I think there's a lot going on here. So you could definitely make a lot of money in this stock. But I think that's going to be a wrap for the first video. If you guys are looking forward to the channel, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section below whether you want one long big video on Africa's profile and opportunity or a series of videos on this channel. And with that, that is it for the day.